One night, you look up at the sky, stars shining, the moon glowing, and a distant shooting star streaking across the darkness. But then, something unimaginable happens. Suddenly, everything vanishes. The Milky Way, distant galaxies, even the cosmic background gone. Only one thing remains, our solar system. Is the universe truly erased? Or is this just an illusion? If we are the only ones left, what does it mean? Is this the end of everything we know? Or the beginning of something entirely new? The universe has always been vast, infinite, and filled with countless galaxies, stars, and mysteries beyond our imagination. But what if, one day, everything disappeared except our solar system? No more distant galaxies, no nebulae, no cosmic background radiation, just an endless void stretching in every direction. For the first time in history, Earth and its neighboring planets would be completely alone. Scientists would scramble to understand what happened. Was it a massive cosmic event? A glitch in reality? Or something far beyond human comprehension? Without the rest of the universe, how would our solar system survive? Would the laws of physics remain the same? Or would everything start breaking down? More importantly, could humanity continue to exist, knowing that we are truly alone? This is not just a scientific question, it's a test of our very existence. So, what happens next? Everything disappears. One moment, the universe is teeming with life and energy, and the next, it's an endless black void. No more galaxies, no more stars, just a cold, infinite nothingness beyond the reach of even the most powerful telescopes. Panic spreads across the world. Space agencies like NASA, ESA, and ISRO rush to understand what's happening. Scientists check their instruments, satellites stop detecting cosmic microwave background radiation. Radio telescopes that once picked up signals from distant quasars now receive absolute silence. The universe beyond our solar system is simply gone. What could have caused this? Could this be a tear in spacetime? An unknown cosmic force wiping everything out? Or are we trapped in a simulated reality that has just been reset? The questions are endless, but answers are non-existent. What happens to Earth? At first glance, nothing on Earth changes. The sun still shines, the planets remain in their orbits, and gravity works as expected. But without the rest of the universe, strange things start happening. Loss of cosmic force. The universe isn't just an empty space, it's filled with energy, dark matter, and dark energy, all of which influence our solar system. Without them, the very fabric of spacetime might start collapsing in ways we can't predict. Could this lead to planets drifting out of orbit? Or will the sun's gravitational pull be enough to keep everything together? Night sky turned black, the most immediate and eerie change. The night sky. For millions of years, humans have gazed at the stars, finding comfort in constellations. Now, the sky is pure black. No twinkling stars, no distant galaxies, just an endless void. The only objects visible are the moon, the planets, and our own sun's distant reflection off them. This alone would have a profound psychological effect on humanity. It would be as if the universe had abandoned us. The psychological impact on people across the world would react in different ways. Some might see it as the end of times, while others might believe it's a divine intervention. The loss of the universe would shake not just science, but also philosophy, religion, and our entire perception of existence. The fear of absolute isolation. Humanity has always wondered, are we alone in the universe? Now, we know the answer, yes. This realization would be both terrifying and deeply saddening. If aliens ever existed, they are gone now. If there were other habitable worlds, they no longer exist. Religious and philosophical reactions. Some might see this event as proof of divine intervention. Others might believe we are living in a simulation, and someone or something has just erased everything else. Could this be a test? A punishment? Or are we the only ones who were meant to survive? Scientific consequence. Time and space may break down without the rest of the universe. Space and time itself might start behaving strangely. Einstein's theories tell us that the structure of the universe depends on massive objects distorting spacetime. If all those objects are gone, does time continue as normal? Or does it start to warp in unpredictable ways? The fate of the sun relies on the delicate balance of cosmic forces. Without the gravitational pull of distant stars and galaxies, would its energy output remain stable? Could solar activity become more erratic, leading to extreme solar storms or unpredictable bursts of radiation? The fate of the solar system. Could we ever leave? Even if we tried to explore beyond our solar system, there would be nothing to reach. No nearby stars, no exoplanet, just infinite darkness. Space travel beyond our system would be pointless. We would be trapped in a cosmic bubble. Is this a temporary effect? There's one last hope. What if this is temporary? Could the universe somehow restore itself? Could we find a way to bring back what was lost? Scientists would desperately search for answers, experimenting with quantum mechanics, searching for anomalies, and testing the boundaries of physics. If everything disappeared except our solar system, we would be left alone in an infinite void, with no understanding of why or how it happened. Science, philosophy, and human nature would be tested like never before. Would we adapt and survive? Or would we slowly fade away knowing that we are the last remnants of a once vast universe? Perhaps, in the grand scheme of things, we were never meant to be alone. But if we ever found ourselves in this situation, one thing is certain: we would finally understand what true isolation feels like. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like this video, it really helps us out. Share it with friends who'd love to learn something new, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.